Every morning you are overloaded by the information. You lose contact with reality and become a smartphone zombie. Information overload is a global problem, and it is ruining your social and family life. Did architecture at any time help solving pressing problems for society? I did research on that. For example, Ciechocinek called Polish sanatorium, modernistic architecture responding to the vitamin deficiency and tuberculosis, architecture serving humanity, good urban and human scale, not over context, healing environment. But now, only abandoned ruin. How to bring back life to ruins? My answer is by the translation from old to new. I took factors from old building and next I implemented it to the new one, but fitting it to new conditions and problems of modern society. A result is new generation spa facilities stimulating recovery. Factor 1. Access to sport, greenery, fresh air. It's the best place for climatic treatment and has mineral and salt water intakes. I propose a sport path around the park. Physical activity accelerates blood circulation and absorption of more aerosol from graduation towers. Park has free zones, body stimulation, sensitization, relax. Factor 2. Historic path like gate to another world. Path through historic building into a vast illuminated open area is preserved. New pool complex is simulating senses, space and helps to focus on the moment here and now. Factor 3. Building as a fragment of an environment covered by roof. The maze, covered with concrete arch structure, overgrown with salt-loving vegetation. Factor 4. Constant contact with the outside. The user is connected with outside by large windows, viewing corridors and skylight in more intimate parts. Factor 5. Architecture evokes emotions. Architecture is a labyrinth of different experiential spaces. Walls are made mainly of rammed earth, other are graduation towers or wooden structures filled with salt. Light becomes a sensual impression. This is building of specific atmosphere stimulating recovery, part of the historical complex which helps it live again.